Hey there, and welcome back to another exciting episode of Real Estate Tips and Facts. I'm your host, Amma, and today we have a very important topic to dive into. Get ready for episode 6 of Real Estate Tips and Facts, Real Estate Laws and Regulations with TGFLIP Marketing. In this episode, we'll be shedding light on the laws and regulations that govern the real estate industry. From fair housing laws to zoning regulations and property disputes, we'll cover it all. Understanding these legal aspects is essential for both buyers and sellers in today's market. Get ready to expand your knowledge and gain insights into the laws and regulations that shape the real estate industry. Remember, staying informed and compliant is key to a successful and smooth real estate journey. Thank you for joining us today on Real Estate Tips and Facts. So, grab your notepads, get ready to take some valuable notes, and let's jump into episode 6, Real Estate Laws and Regulations with TGFLIP Marketing. Diving into episode 6, Real Estate Laws and Regulations. Kicking off our first tip by shedding light on an essential topic: understanding fair housing laws. Fair housing laws are designed to ensure equal opportunities and protect individuals from discrimination when it comes to buying or renting a home. These laws prohibit discrimination based on race, color, national origin, religion, sex, familial status, and disability. That's right, it's crucial for both real estate professionals and individuals involved in real estate transactions to have a comprehensive understanding of fair housing laws. Violating these laws can lead to severe legal consequences and tarnish one's reputation in the industry. That's why it's important to treat all potential buyers and renters equally, regardless of their background or personal characteristics. Every individual should have an equal chance to access housing opportunities and make informed decisions based on their preferences and qualifications. Being familiar with the guidelines provided by the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development, HUD, is crucial. HUD offers resources and guidance to ensure compliance with fair housing laws. It's essential to stay up to date with any updates or changes in these guidelines to maintain a fair and inclusive real estate environment. Understanding and adhering to fair housing laws is not only a legal obligation, but also a moral imperative to create a fair and inclusive real estate environment. Thank you for joining us with these insightful tips on fair housing laws. Stay tuned for more valuable insights on real estate laws and regulations in this episode of Real Estate Tips and Facts. Welcome back to Real Estate Tips and Facts, Real Estate Laws and Regulations. As a real estate investor or professional, it is important to have a basic understanding of the laws and regulations in order to have a successful and potentially profitable career in the industry. Let's get started with some quick facts. Did you know? Fact 1: property management laws vary. Every state has its own specific laws and regulations when it comes to property management. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the laws in your specific state to avoid any legal issues. That's right, when it comes to property management, it's crucial to understand that laws and regulations can vary from state to state. Each state has its own specific set of rules governing property management practices. Whether you're a property owner or a property manager, it's essential to familiarize yourself with the laws in your specific state. Being well informed about these laws will help you avoid any legal issues and ensure that you're operating within the boundaries of the law. We hope you took notes of that excellent point. By understanding the property management laws in your state, you can effectively handle various aspects such as tenant screening, lease agreements, security deposits, property maintenance, and eviction procedures. It's important to remember that property management laws are in place to protect both landlords and tenants, ensuring a fair and transparent relationship between the two parties. By staying updated with the property management laws specific to your state, you can ensure compliance, mitigate potential risks, and provide a positive and legally sound rental experience for both you and your tenants. That wraps up our first quick fact for today. Stay tuned for more valuable insights on real estate laws and regulations in this episode of Real Estate Tips and Facts. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more. Diving back in with more quick facts. Fact 2, we'll be discussing an important aspect of real estate transactions disclosure laws. When it comes to selling a property, real estate agents and brokers have a legal obligation to disclose any known defects or issues with the property to potential buyers. This is a critical aspect of ensuring transparency and protecting the rights of buyers. Disclosure laws vary from jurisdiction to jurisdiction, but the overarching principle remains the same: sellers and their agents must provide accurate and complete information about the property's condition. It's important to note that these disclosure requirements exist to protect buyers from purchasing a property with hidden defects or issues that may affect its value or habitability. Take notes on that great point. Sellers and their agents must exercise due diligence in disclosing any known material defects or problems that could impact a buyer's decision to purchase the property. Additionally, buyers should also conduct their own due diligence, such as hiring a professional home inspector, to ensure they are fully informed about the property's condition before making a purchase. Buyers should never hesitate to ask questions and request relevant information from the seller or their agent. Remember, transparency is key in real estate transactions. By adhering to disclosure laws, sellers and their agents can establish trust and maintain ethical practices. Make sure to get them quick facts in your notes. That's all for today's quick facts, disclosure laws. Remember, whether you're a seller or a buyer, it's essential to be aware of your rights and obligations regarding property disclosures. Now for our final tip of the day, we'll be discussing another important aspect of real estate zoning laws and the role they play. That's right. Zoning laws play a crucial role in determining how property can be used in specific areas. These laws are put in place by local government authorities to regulate land use and ensure orderly development within communities. Zoning laws can dictate what types of properties can be built in certain areas, such as residential, commercial, or industrial zones. They also define the parameters for building height, setback requirements, and other factors that can impact property development. Being knowledgeable about zoning laws allows you to understand your potential uses and restrictions of a property, which can affect its value and future development potential. It's also crucial to keep an eye on any proposed zoning changes that may affect your property. Proposed changes can arise due to evolving community needs or economic development plans, and they can significantly impact the value and potential uses of the property. Additionally, working collaboratively with local government agencies and zoning boards can help you stay abreast of any zoning updates or changes that may impact your property. Remember, zoning laws can vary from one jurisdiction to another, so it's essential to be familiar with the specific regulations in your area of operation. And that concludes our last tip of the day on zoning laws. Remember, being well informed about these regulations can make a significant difference in guiding and ensuring your real estate transactions align with local zoning requirements. Thank you for joining us. We hope you found these tips and facts valuable as we explore the intricacies of real estate laws and regulations on this episode of Real Estate Tips and Facts. And that wraps up another enlightening episode of Real Estate Tips and Facts. Today, we explored the intricate world of real estate laws and regulations. Let's quickly recap the valuable insights we discussed. Our first tip focused on the importance of understanding fair housing laws. These laws are designed to protect buyers and renters from discrimination based on various factors such as race, religion, and disability. Moving on to our quick facts, we highlighted the significance of being well-versed in property management laws, emphasizing that these laws can vary from state to state. Familiarizing yourself with the specific regulations in your area is crucial to avoid any legal complications. And finally, with our last tip, we explored the impact of zoning laws on property use and development. Being knowledgeable about these laws allows you to have accurate guidance and advice, while keeping an eye on proposed zoning changes to make informed investment decisions. We hope these insights have provided you with a deeper understanding of the laws and regulations that govern the real estate industry. Remember, staying informed and adhering to these laws is not only crucial for legal compliance, but it also builds trust with clients and contributes to your professional success. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this episode valuable and that it enhances your journey in the world of real estate. Don't forget to join us next time for another enlightening episode of Real Estate Tips and Facts, where we'll continue to share valuable tips and facts to help you succeed in the dynamic real estate market. Until then, stay informed, stay compliant, and stay ahead in the real estate industry. Thank you again for tuning in for another episode of Real Estate Tips and Facts, Real Estate Laws and Regulations with TGFLIP Marketing, and we'll see you next time on Real Estate Tips and Facts. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more. Till next time.